Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a collab, GIMS and Keblack. They do Touché. Alright, so GIMS always touches a musical nerve, gets the vibe going with his powerful corporations, and I just love that. So let's take a look at this song, and we're gonna use a capo on the 2nd fret, and with that we have 4 chords. Okay, so 4 chords, capo on 2nd. Let's go with E minor first. We're gonna start with E minor, and it goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. We're gonna play A minor next. That will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be this D/A chord. Okay, so that's the A in the bass, but with kind of a D chord beneath. So it goes 5th on E, 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And the next and final chord would be the CG chord, and that is to take the very same grip and move it 2 frets away from you. You land at this position. It sounds like that. 3rd on E, 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And that is what's rolling from the beginning till the very end. Now let's take a look at the strumming. We have a 2-part strumming here, so 2 chords will split on 1 full strumming round. So the first part, E minor, goes like this. Okay, so it's first 1 down, short pause, and then up, clap, down. So. Alright, and then you shift chord, in this case to A minor, and play the second part, which will be down, clap, down. So if you combine these 2 parts, E minor to A minor, it goes like this. And then you apply the same principle on the next 2 chords. From the D-A, you're going to play that in the same way as E minor, down, up, clap, down, to C-G in the same way as the A minor, down, clap, down. So like this. And you've done 1 round. You're going to play this from the beginning till the very end. I'm going to take down the tempo first round, and then speed up and play that into the standard tempo, like this. Alright guys, I just took off there, got the vibes of the song, and yeah, you can just neglect the second part of it. E minor, A minor, D, A, and the C, G chord, that's what goes around here in this song. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Thank you so much, and play tuned.